Hi, today I received gift from MRM, from Amol, for myself being consistent in the MRM journey for so many months, so many years, and the context is for February 2023, and today is 12th April 2023. I am just opening the gift which I received today, so I am really excited to open this gift. Yes, I am opening it now. Unboxing the gift. Just seeing what surprises will be there in this gift box. Maybe this unboxing will also make excited for all the MRM family members. Right? So it is written here. Morning Ritual Miracles AK www.amolkarali.com Amol Karali 10x to Ramesh Babu, congratulations. Okay. Now open the box. Written as AK Amol Karali. And is MRM 2.0. You can see this symbol MRM 2.0 t-shirt. Okay, now the book, The Magic of Failure. Unlock your version 2.0 and live your dream life, Amol Karali. So it is written. So I'll going to read this book. Definitely complete this book in a short duration. Wonderful, wonderful. And what is the other excitement I have? Wow, MRM 2.0 journal. So I can do journaling in this book. This wonderful book. So this book, wonderful book, wonderful. See this book. I didn't expect this. This water bottle, wonderful. See here, water bottle. So this gift, book, and this one, and this t-shirt. All this excellent.